This is our next project out in the yard, and that is to replace these flagstones, which served as a walkway for us, with these bricks here. Now there's a lot of them. This is just some of them. And I'm stacking them up here for when Bruce gets to this project, which hopefully will be in the next few days. What we are going to do is remove all of these bricks to some that are like that are in our backyard. So as soon as I get these bricks up, as much as I can get up, Bruce will dig these up here, and we haven't decided yet whether we're going to bring them up higher or put a different brick there. That's not been decided. My part was paving stones. I had to dig them up what I was able to dig up, and then they're to be stacked over on the side of the house. But I got tired and it was hot, and so they're stacked here, which is okay, because when we do the project where these are going, I can either move them then, or if the cooler weather is here, I can move them then. Well, here's the next project, and the reason we dug up the pavers. We're going to take up the rock walkway and put the pavers down. We've kind of laid it out, and we have just enough, with maybe one or two of each type of stone left over. How about that for good planning? Well, here it is, the paver sidewalk. And we made, well, it wasn't a mistake. It was forgetfulness. We forgot to buy the sand-like stuff that you sweep in between the cracks, and then you sprinkle it with water gently, and then it sets into like concrete. Now, the only place that doesn't look real swift right now, and it'll look better after we get that sand stuff, is right here at the end. And those were pieces we either broke ourselves or we had laying around that were already broken, and we just kind of stuck them out in the garden, and now they're being used in the sidewalk. When we get the sand on here, I'll show you what a great improvement it makes. Still got some blocks to work with. We'll do that today unless it rains. I will get what's left of the pavers, put them in my little wagon, take them down into the patio, and then we have to hand carry them down to the backyard. And we got a project that we're going to use those on. See you later.